Let's get to this maintenance. Man, I tell you what, man, this shit crazy. The seal broke on this fucking wheel, and that bitch ain't have no oil in it at all, man. What up, YouTube? This is a little quick one. Come to do some maintenance on my trailer, man. I like, man, you know, I gonna change these actual hub covers and gonna change the oil while I'm at it, you know. Come out here to change the oil, man. I got 2 hubs and they have not a lick in them. They have nothing, not a drop. So this was happens. Tell them to check it. So the gasket, like, yeah, you know, this one was broke. So all the oil was leaking out through there. And I had another one that broke right here. Gasket tore off between that point. Man, so I had two gaskets snap on me. So I put all new hubs on, brand new gaskets, new caps on all 4. I'm gonna let them sit overnight. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let them sit overnight, and then I'm gonna come back tomorrow. Well, probably not tomorrow. Probably Friday. I'm gonna get a load Friday, and then I'm gonna top them back off because I know it takes a while for the oil to settle down. So I'm gonna top them off then. But yeah, man, that's why maintenance is so important. Maintenance is very important. Pre-trip, very important. I mean, luckily I had the mentality, you know, to go ahead and just knock it out the way, man. Because if I didn't, this would have cost me in the long run. I would have blew a damn bearing or blew a whole fucking. Blew a whole dang on axle, you know. Pre-trip's very important. Make sure you do your pre-trip. Make sure you do your maintenance. But I said, man, this is a little quick one, man. I had to, you know, put a little content on YouTube. Yeah, man. But I'm out. Peace.